All right, today I'm going to show you how to wash bed sheets. And the first thing that you want to do when washing bed sheets is to take the bed sheets off of your bed. So that's what I'm doing. So I have pillows, whatnot. I'm going to go ahead and take the bed sheets off. I'm going to take the pillowcases off, and then I'm just going to go ahead and gather all of this up in order to wash that. All right, so once you've taken the bed sheets off of the bed, you want to make sure that you separate them and not put them all in a tight ball because they will not wash properly if you do that. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to separate them and then bunch them up individually. Now it's important that you read the the label on the sheets because your particular sheets may have a particular washing process. But in general, this is what you do. So I've separated the sheets. You can see that there's the top sheet, the pillowcases, and the actual bed sheet that goes over the bed. So after you have this, you have all of this separated. You'll first have to come up to your washing machine. I have a front loading washing machine. And the rule of thumbs is to go ahead and put the detergent in first. Now, if you have powdered detergent or you have a modern washing machine that allows you to put pods inside of the drawer right here, you can go ahead and do that. But if you don't have a machine that allows you to put pods in here, you're going to have to put it inside of the washing machine. So this right here, if you have powder or liquid, you could put it in your compartment. Fabric softener if you choose to, bleach if it is required. All right, so after you put detergent in, close the drawer. Now in this situation, because this isn't a washing machine that allows to put the pods inside of the detergent drawer, I have to come here and then I'm going to put the washing pod inside of the drum itself. That is the first thing you do. And you want to do that first so the pod can dissolve properly. And after you've done that, if you have any other certain types of detergents to put in there, such as OxyClean, this is what I use instead of bleach in order to get the sheets really white. You'll want to go ahead and add that to the drum as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take the appropriate amount, put that into the drum, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the clothing inside of here, or the sheets inside of there. Now it's important not to overstuff your washing machine with sheets because you can come into some issues. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in like that. And once it's in there, go ahead and close it. Now I typically wash my sheets in a certain way. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the washing machine. And so I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to I'm just do cotton normal. That's what I'm going to do. I just do the normal wash usually. Some machines may have a heavy duty, which this one does, or an option for sheets and bedding. Okay, if you have those, you have the option. But the rule of thumb is when you don't know, just go with a cotton normal. So I have this in there. And then the next thing, I am going to select the temperature. Now that is very important on what temperature you select, because if I had colored sheets, it may not be ideal for me to do hot water, okay? Some of them, if you have colored sheets, they say warm, or if you have really delicate ones, they'll say cold. But keep in mind, when you have it on cold or warm, it may not get as clean. Now I have these sheets right here, and so I'm going to do hot, okay? Because I know hot actually cleans them pretty well. And these are sturdy sheets and they won't be damaged too much by the hot water. So I'm going to go to switch to hot. Or in this situation, this machine actually has an option for extra hot, extra hot. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And then spin speed, I'm going to keep it as high because these are sheets and they can handle a beating. I'm not going to delay start, not going to do easy iron. Extra rinse. I like the extra rinse because these sheets are going to go against my body, and I would like for all of everything to be rinsed out thoroughly. So I do extra rinse. And so after that, it has a pre-wash. You have a pre-wash treatment. Now, your machine may have a pre-wash option right here. And if you want to pre-wash, you can go ahead and do that. That just adds a little bit extra washing action for your sheets. I'm not going to do pre-wash. And so after I've done this, I just go ahead and press start. And that is how you wash bed sheets. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, watching, and washing.